On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok effects problem. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless add networks, and then go to the top here. You will find the airplane mode, enable it, and then wait a few seconds, for example 5 seconds, and then disable it. And then go back, open the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So all what you want to do is search for TikTok right here, and when you find it you have to click on it, for example like this. And now click on this force stop option to stop the app from running, and then go to the permissions and make sure that every permission is enabled, every single one. Go back and click on the data usage and do the same thing. Now you have to disable all those options and enable them back, and then go to the internal storage, click on clear data, clear cache. And last thing you want to do is make sure to update your TikTok into the latest version. If the problem is not solved yet, then you have to uninstall TikTok from your app, from your phone, and reinstall it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.